So we are going to practice a PPDT test today, that is picture perception and discussion test. Second test in the process of basic screening test immediately after your OIR, right? What this test is, I will be showing you a picture. This picture will remain on screen for 30 seconds. You have to identify the characters, and first you need to fill up those characters in the box given on the top of this sheet, mentioning them with their gender, approximate age and the mood. You also need to write the action on the given space, what is going on in this picture. To fill up this box and write action, I will be giving you 1 minute of additional time. Right after that, I will be giving you 4 minutes of time to write an imaginary story around the picture shown to you. Kindly don't describe the picture. You have to write an imaginary story. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
I believe you all would have filled the details given on the top of this sheet, your name, your chest number and today's date. There in service selection board, you need to write your chest number and your batch number. You will not be writing your name in service selection board. Clear? Ready for the test?
Yes, sir.
Time for writing story starts now. Stop writing, collect all the sheets. After writing story, there in service selection board, you will be getting a break of around 30 minutes. Here I will be giving you a break of 15 minutes. In next 15 minutes, you can revise your story. And after this break, you need to narrate your story one by one and then stepping into a group discussion for finding out the common story. Right? So start narrating your story one by one, starting from right of your group. While narrating your story, you need not to see towards me, you need not to address me. Remain seated on your chair and narrate your story to your group members. Once the last member finishes his narration, you will be going for a group discussion immediately after that for finding out a common story. Start narrating your story one by one, starting from right of your group.
Good morning, gentlemen. In my story, I perceive 4 characters. All were male. Their ages between 30 to 40 years. All were in positive mode. Ritik, who was hero of my story, he was graduated from IIT BHU Civil Engineering and currently working in an MNC of Civil Engineering. One day, his team decided to send him to a village in Palampur to solve their people's basic need, which was led by Rohit. After reaching there, Rohit and his team saw that a house which was abandoned and bad condition and a woman living there. Ritik and his team were going to villagers and tell about their situation. After that, they came to know that in this house there is a lady who live alone, who was suffering from bad condition, storm and poor house effect. So after that, Ritik and his team decided to build that house and renovate that house with the help of villagers. After that, Ritik and his team rebuild this house and handle this to their woman. Thank you. After that, the woman was helped. Thank you.
Good morning, gentlemen. From the picture, I had perceived 4 characters. All are male, aged between 35 to 60 years. All are in a positive mood. Rahul, the main character of my story, was a 35 years old man. He was a manager in an IT company. After many years, he came back to his village and met to his childhood friend. and they all decided to went to that shop where they spent their most of the childhood times. They went there. After seeing them after many years, the shopkeeper became very happy, and they talked with the shopkeeper, and they saw the condition of his shop was not too good. Rahul helped him in renovating his shop. After that, he enjoyed his whole day with his friends. Thank you.
Good morning, gentlemen. In the given picture, I have perceived four characters. All are male and all are in positive moods, aging between 30 to 60 years. In the given picture, the hero of my story is Mukesh, aging is 30 years. He has recently he is pursuing his post graduation in ACET as an engineering in architect. He is assigned by his college to renovate the debilitating conditions of the village homes. So he moved to the village. He moved to the village and discussed with the villagers the plan given to him to renovate the village. So he discussed with the villagers, and he draw a map. He make a project of the renovation of the village with modern technologies and natural calamity and earthquake resistant. With the help and after the completing his project, he discussed with the villagers, and all are agreeing with his innovative idea, and it was financed by his college, and it implemented. And after that, the debilitating conditions of the houses were renovated and become earthquake and natural calamity resistant. Thank you.
Our objective is the development of village let's discuss about the action part of this story. Our objective should be the village development.
Okay, stop your discussion now. Any one of you can give me the common story of yours.
Ram, a 26-year-old man who lives in Saharanpur, was newly appointed as Chief Medical Officer of Rampur. He one day visited the village and found that the health condition and there was no proper sanitation available to them. So he decided to improve it. And he selected some volunteers from the village and appointed them the welfare programs and to educate people about the health facilities available to them, proper sanitation care, and also after that arrange all free medical care so that most of the villagers can take advantage in a short time, and in a few months the condition of the village started improving. Thank you.
Lot of improvement has been shown by you people. Always I feel happy when I see this kind of transformation in you. The day you came here, you were a different individual, very hesitant, not able to speak out even a single word. Today you are able to narrate your story and participate, especially test number 57, how confidently he is participating now. He was very much hesitant, 260. I really admire you. I am not looking for the performance you are doing. I am looking for the comparison between two individuals. One who came on the first day, whom I had seen on the first day, एंड आफ्टर दीज मैनी डेज आज जो मैं आपको देख रहा हूँ, उन दोनों में जब मैं तुलना देखता हूँ ना, तो मुझे ये लगता है कि आप मेहनत कर रहे हैं. एंड ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, अ जर्नी ऑफ 1000 miles स्टार्ट्स विद अ सिंगल स्टेप. ठीक है, वो कदम उठाने में थोड़ा हम ज़्यादा सोचते हैं, सिर्फ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन इसलिए नहीं मिलता है ना. द मोमेंट यू स्टार्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंटिंग योर डिज़ायर्स विद योर एक्शंस, जब बदलाव करना है तो वो मेहनत से होता है, तो वो सोचने से नहीं, मेहनत काम करने से होता है. द मोमेंट यू स्टार्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंटिंग योर डिज़ायर्स विद योर एक्शंस, you start progressing into a right direction, right?
व्हाट इज़ योर नेम?
प्रवीण यादव,
प्रवीण, कहाँ से हो?
आजमगढ़ से।
आजमगढ़ से. आज आपका पीपीटीटी सेशन
जी।
था, कैसा रहा?
सर ये आज बढ़िया था।
आज बढ़िया था. क्या आपको यहाँ पर कोई दिक्कत हो रही है पीपीटीटी सेशंस में?
नो सर, पहले जब मैं स्टार्टिंग में आया था तो 1-2 दिन सेटल होने में लगे, अनकम्फर्टेबल था, बट नाउ आई एम वेरी कम्फर्टेबल एंड प्रोग्रेस वेरी वेल।
यहाँ पर आपका OIR होता है, OIR के बाद PPDT होते हैं, उसके बाद आपको फीडबैक दिया जाता है. क्या ये ऐसे ही प्रोसीजर आपको SSB में देखने को मिले, जैसा SSB में होता है वैसे ही यहाँ आपको यहाँ कराया जा रहा है?
बिल्कुल एग्जैक्ट।
यस. तो आप क्या कहना चाहोगे PPDT में?
PPDT जो यहाँ के टेस्ट हो रहे हैं बहुत अच्छे चल रहे हैं इस समय, तो जब से कैप्टन सर हमारी क्लासेस ले रहे हैं, इट इज़ वेरी इम्प्रेसिव।
गुड. व्हाट इज़ योर नेम?
सर माय नेम इज़ दिव्यांशु सिंह.
दिव्यांशु, कहाँ से हो आप?
सर बनारस से.
बनारस से. अभी आपका PPDT सेशंस था,
यस सर.
कैसा रहा?
Sir, it was very impressive, sir. It enhanced our confidence and boost our performance, and we day by day improve ourselves.
ओके. तो अल्टीमेटली यू सी दैट कि यहाँ पर OIR टेस्ट के बाद आपका PPDT सेशंस, फिर
sir.
आपके पर्सनल जो फीडबैक है सर के द्वारा ये दिए जा रहे हैं, तो एक बिगिनर्स के लिए कितना हेल्पफुल होगा ये?
सर एक बिगनर के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे SSB अधिकतर बच्चे उनमें से ये होते हैं जिनको कुछ आइडिया होता नहीं, वो बस देने चल जाते हैं. लेकिन हम यहाँ पे आके जो क्लासेस कर रहे हैं उससे हमें डे बाय डे इम्प्रूवमेंट मिला. हमें पता चला कि हम कहाँ पे गलत, हमें क्या इम्प्रूव करना चाहिए, और उससे हम एक प्रॉपर एक वे में तो हमारी तैयारी हो रही है कि हाँ हम ये गलती कर रहे हैं, तो हमें जो फीडबैक मिलता है हम उस पर अगले दिन और अच्छा वर्क करके आते हैं, और अगर वो सही होता है तो हमारे टीचर उसे अप्रिसिएट करते हैं और हमारा जो कॉन्फिडेंस है वो और बूस्ट होता है कि अगले दिन हम और अच्छा करेंगे.
गुड. व्हाट इज़ योर नेम?
माय नेम इज़ विवेक कुमार सर.
विवेक, कहाँ से हो आप?
आई एम इन बिहार.
ठीक है. आज आपका PPDT सेशंस था,
Yes,
कैसा
sir.
था?
इट इज़ वेरी नाइस टुडे. आई एम इम्प्रूव वेरी वेल इन फ्यू डेज.
गुड. तो आपके ओवरऑल जो PPDT सेशंस था, OIR टेस्ट था, उसको आप क्या कहना चाहोगे एक बिगिनर के लिए? यहाँ पर जो असेसमेंट किया जा रहा है उसके लिए कैसा रहा?
बहुत अच्छा रहेगा, क्योंकि यहाँ कॉन्फिडेंस डेवलप सिर्फ PPDT के और नरेशन के द्वारा नहीं होता है. जैसे कि सर इमेजिन करवाते हैं, आँख बंद करवा कर कि इमेजिन कीजिए ये पिक्चर है, और स्पीच द्वारा कॉन्फिडेंट लाया जाता है बच्चे में, जो यहाँ मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. और नए तरीके यूज किए जाते हैं.
तो अल्टीमेटली
कॉन्फिडेंट
कहते हैं जो पिक्चर परसेप्शन डिस्कशन टेस्ट होता है उसमें सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है बच्चे को इमेजिनेशन की.
इमेजिनेशन एंड नरेशन बढ़िया होना चाहिए.
नरेशन और इमेजिनेशन.
हाँ, इमेजिनेशन भी कराया जाता है वहाँ. नरेशन के लिए स्पीच नया प्रोग्राम लाया जाता है सर के द्वारा, आपके द्वारा, जो बहुत अच्छा रहता है.
गुड. तो ये बहुत हेल्पफुल होता है.
बहुत हेल्पफुल होता है बच्चे के लिए. नहीं, ये सिर्फ SSB के लिए ही नहीं, ऐसे ही कॉमन मैन के लिए भी ये ज़रूरी है. कॉन्फिडेंट बिल्डिंग होना चाहिए ताकि अपना बात सब पूरा समाज में रख सके.